If you're 40 or 50 and thinking about starting over in the trades, the first thing I want you to know is this: you are not too late, but you do need to choose the right trade, because not every trade is built for someone starting at your age. Today I'm giving you 5 that are real pay, real timeline, real honest talk about what your body can handle. I've been in HVAC for 30 years. I built a business from the ground up, and I've watched people enter this industry at every age, including people in their 40s and 50s who went on to build generally strong careers. Here's the honest math that most videos on this topic skip. A 43-year-old who finishes HVAC training at 44 has 23 working years before a traditional retirement at 67. At the BLS median HVAC wage, that is approximately $1.37 million in lifetime trade earnings, before raises, before overtime, before moving into supervisor work, which mid-career entrants typically reach faster than younger apprentices. Because they bring maturity, communication skills, and work ethic, 22-year-olds are still developing. The math works, but only if you choose the right trade for where you are in life. Today I'm counting down the 5 best ones. Before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe. All right, let's count it down. The honest filter before we start. Before I give you the countdown, I need to give you the filter I use to build this list, because starting over at 40 or 50 is not the same as starting at 22. And any video that treats it that way is not being honest with you. Here's what I looked at for each trade on this list. Physical demand. Can your body reasonably handle this work for 15 to 25 more years? Training timeline. How quickly can you get to real journeyman wages? Pay. What does the realistic income path actually look like? Demand. Is this the trade generally short-staffed right now? The trades I left off this list, roofing, structural ironwork, heavy concrete labor, residential framing, are not on here because the entry-level physical demands are generally difficult to sustain starting at 40 or 50. That is not a judgment, that is honest career planning. The 5 on this list passed all 4 filters. All right, let's get into it. Number 5, construction and building inspector. Starting at number 5 with one that surprises people most. A construction and building inspector reviews buildings and construction projects to ensure they meet codes, regulations, and safety standards. Here's why this trade belongs on the list specifically. The physical demands are low to moderate. You're walking job sites, reviewing plans, writing reports. You're not swinging a hammer or carrying material all day. Here's the documented pay picture. The BLS median annual wage for construction and building inspectors is $72,120. That is already one of the highest medians on this entire list. And the training timeline is generally fast. Most states require a combination of work experience and a related trade, plus certification exam. Many people entering from construction management, contracting, or a related background can qualify faster than someone with no construction experience at all. Here's the honest reality for someone starting over at 40 or 50. If you have any background in construction, contracting, or building management, this is potentially the fastest path to 72,000 or more on this entire list. All right, next up, number 4, welding with a career specialty path. Here's number 4, and the key word in this entry is specialty. Basic production welding is physically demanding and repetitive. That is not what I'm recommending for someone starting over at 40 or 50. What I am recommending is welding with a clear certification path towards inspection, NDT, or structural specialty work. Here's what makes welding work at this age. Certificate programs run 6 months to under a year. That is one of the fastest credentialing timelines of any trade on this list. You can be working and earning real money within a year. And here's what the data says about specialty path. A certified welding inspector, CWI, earns $70,000 to $100,000 or more without swinging a torch every day. Reviewing welds, reading x-rays and ultrasonic reports, signing off structural integrity. That is cognitive and technical work, not the relentless physical grind of production welding. The American Welding Society, the CWI credential, requires 5 years of welding experience, but the timeline compresses significantly with the formal welding degree. The person starting at 48 with a welding certificate and a deliberate plan to pursue CWI status is looking at a genuine strong 15+ year career arc. Now this next one, real quick, I want to tell you about something that's been working for me. My brother Shane runs a program called the Content Growth Engine. It's built around growing your YouTube channel and earning real income without it taking over your life. We're talking less than 4 hours a week. I'm a member myself. First month in, I had a $214 day. That turned into $445 days, then $519 days by month 5, and it just keeps building from there. It's legit. Links in the description and pinned below. It's worth a look. Number 3, plumbing. Here's number 3, and plumbing makes the list for 3 specific reasons that matters at 40 or 50. First, the physical demands are moderate, not punishing. You're not swinging heavy material overhead all day. You're working with your hands in precise, technical ways. Second, the demand is extraordinary. The PHCC documents a national shortage of over 500,000 plumbers right now. The average master plumber in the United States is 58 years old. The retirements happening in this trade are creating real urgent openings. Third, the income ceiling is real. Journeyman plumbers earn $55,000 to $95,000. Master plumbers in employed positions earn $80,000 to $108,000. The top 10% of all plumbers earn over $105,000 annually as employees. Here's the honest timeline for someone starting at 40 or 50. The apprenticeship runs 4 to 5 years. That feels long, but you're earning wages from day one, starting at roughly 40 to 50% of journeyman scale, and stepping up every single year. A 45-year-old who starts a plumbing apprenticeship today is licensed journeyman by 50, with 17 more working years ahead, at wages that beat most office jobs they left behind. Number 2, HVAC technician. Here's number 2, and I'll be upfront. I'm an HVAC guy, so take that into account. But the data backs this up independently. And here's why HVAC specifically works for someone starting over at 40 or 50. The training timeline is one of the fastest on this list. Certificate programs run 6 months to 2 years. You can be working and earning real wages in under a year if you go the certificate route before entering an apprenticeship or direct hire. The physical demands are moderate. You're not carrying heavy material all day. You're doing diagnostic work, technical problem solving, precision installation. Your hands and your brain matter more than your back. The demand is among the most severe in the entire trades world. The BLS projects 8% growth through 2034, much faster than average, about 40,100 openings every single year. Here's the pay picture that matters for this audience. The BLS median annual wage for HVAC technician is $59,810. Senior commercial techs with specialty certifications are documented at $100,000 to $130,000. And here's the data point that matters most for someone starting at 40 or 50. A 43-year-old finishing HVAC training at 44 has 23 working years before retirement at 67. At the BLS median wage, that is approximately $1.37 million in lifetime trade earnings. Before raises, before overtime, before moving into supervisor roles. The math works. All right, number 1, the trade that constantly lands at the top of every data-driven list for career changers at 40 and 50. Here it is. Quick question, and be honest. Do you actually know which trade fits you, or are you just picking the one you've heard of? Course Careers has an AI career counselor named Coura that'll actually figure that out for you. She walks you through your goals, your personality, your lifestyle, and matches you to the right fit from HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project managing, construction estimating, architectural drafting, or supply chain coordinator. Then you get the free intercourse to see if you're right before you go all in. No experience needed, no degree required. Students have been doing this and landing high-paying careers as little as 4 to 12 weeks. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Know before you go. Number 1, the closer, electrician. Okay, here's number 1, and the data is clear on this one. Electrician is the single best trade for people starting over at 40 or 50. For 3 reasons that matter at this specific stage of life. Reason 1, the physical demands are moderate. You're working with your hands, your brain, you're reading schematics, running conduit, troubleshooting complex electrical systems. You are not doing the heaviest physical labor in the construction trades. Electrical work is something experienced tradespeople stay in well into their 60s. Reason 2, The pay is among the highest of any trade in this countdown. The BLS median annual wage for electricians is $62,350. The top 10% of electricians earning above $106,030. The BLS projects 9% employment growth from 2024 to 2034. That is 3 times the average for all occupations. About 81,000 openings projected every single year. Reason 3, your life experience is a genuine competitive advantage in this trade. A 54-year-old former retail manager in Ohio enrolled in a 10-month electrical technology program. His store had closed. His industry was shrinking. 2 years later, he was a licensed electrician earning more than he ever did in management. That story is documented, and it is not unusual. Employers constantly say that mature career changers who show up on time, communicate clearly, and learn steadily are better hires than unreliable 22-year-olds. Most contractors will tell you that directly. Here's the honest timeline. The IBEW apprenticeship runs 4 to 5 years. You earn wages from day one, starting at around 40% of journeyman scale, and stepping up every 6 months. A 45-year-old who starts today is a licensed journeyman electrician by 50, with 17 years of strong growing earning potential ahead in the fastest growing trade in the country. That is why electrician is number 1 on this list. Quick break here. If you're sitting here wondering which trade is actually right for you specifically, I built a free 5-minute tool that walks you through it. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Look, starting over at 40 or 50 is not a setback. It is a decision, and the data says it's a decision that works. 90% of adults who changed careers at 45 or older reported that their transitions were successful, according to the American Institute for Economic Research. Construction inspector, welding with a specialty path, plumbing, HVAC, electrician, 5 trades for where you are right now, not where you were 20 years ago. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment. Are you considering a trade career change? How old are you? And what trade is calling you? I want to hear your story. I read every single one. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.
If you need to learn the trades, go to Zach of all trades.